Hello, my name is Max, and today I would like to provide a quick overview to our OMNIKEY SE Reader Core custom key loading. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core provides the ability to read any custom data from any supported credential. To achieve custom data handling, custom keys must be injected into the device. The reader supports functionalities to inject any custom key using either an ERA command or a config file. To make custom key injection secure, the key must be encrypted with another encryption key called the KEK encryption key, or KEK. The device is provided to the customer with a default AES key encryption key. Please contact HID to get the default AES key encryption key. The default AES key encryption key must be rolled using the roll default wrapping key command. When delivered, the reader contains default keys and you cannot inject any custom keys until the default keys are rolled. Due to limited authenticity protection, a failure counter is implemented. After 5 unsuccessful injections of a new key, the reader will block any further attempts. In this situation, it will be necessary to contact HID. Once the AES key encryption key is changed, custom key injection is unblocked. The reader will now accept config files which include wrapped custom keys, and the set user key command may also be used. When a new AES key encryption key is injected, it must be injected to the OID as stated in the memory map shown in the following table. 0x03F000 is the OID of the default AES key encryption key. The device is shipped with the default value of AES key encryption key. OMNIKEY Reader Manager allows you to manage custom user keys in the reader and roll the default wrapping key. Ensure that all operations related to keys are performed in a secure environment. OMNIKEY Reader Manager does not store any keys in the system. To roll the default wrapping key, select the reader on which you want to roll the default wrapping key. Select Manage Key Sets. Click Update in the Custom User Keys option. Select Roll Default Key Encryption Key. There are 2 ways to load the new rolling key. Provide the new key already wrapped using the default key encryption key. Provide new and old default keys in plain text. In this case, the application will perform wrapping and load the new key after this operation. An example of using the key in plain text method. Enter the new key and old default keys in plain text. Click Upload and you will successfully change the default key encryption key in the reader. OMNIKEY Reader Manager allows you to manage custom user keys in the reader and roll the default wrapping key. Ensure that all operations related to keys are performed in a secure environment. OMNIKEY Reader Manager does not store any keys in the system. Before any operation related to custom user keys can be performed, the default wrapping key needs to be rolled to a new one as described earlier. Click the key management icon in the left menu. Select the reader on which you want to load custom user keys. Click Update in the Custom User Keys option. To roll the default wrapping key to a new one, select Media Keys or Custom Key Encryption Key. There are 2 ways to load the new key. Provide the new key already wrapped using the key encryption key. Provide new and old keys in plain text. In this case, the application will perform wrapping and load the new key after this operation. Add the new key which is wrapped using key encryption key already loaded into the reader. Provide keys in plain text. In this case, the application will perform wrapping and load the new key, shown above, into the target key reference 0x030101. Click Upload. This completes the updated custom key for target. Key reference 030101 using wrapping key reference 03F000. Here is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.